markers, any sort of pens you have at your home that are good enough. You need a permanent marker. You need a nice box.
And you need a box. You can use any box that you have at home.
Highlighters. So, first step, get your box.
And draw with a permanent marker. Yeah, pencil. Yes, that's right.
And you sketch it out with these markers.
And then you do doodling onto it.
Hey guys, so now with the box, and here's how we give it touches with these rainbow pens, these silver pens, and these neon pens. I use all of these different pens, and now we're going to be showing you some nice patterns. You can have a look at them. So I even use some highlighter.
Okay. So you did the pencil outline, then the black outline, and you erased the pencil outline, and then you did the doodling, and then you colored with all fluorescent colors, and that is how we've got it ready. And you've added a few touching highlighters, yeah, with these bronzers and silvers, and that is how you have done it. So these are the pens that we've used. You can use whatever you have at home.
Yeah.
And this is how it will look nice and pretty.
You know, you might be having small pens, so you could just have a look at one of these pens in case you have them. They're neon colors. You might be having them at your home, maybe. So just
Or you can just use whatever you have at home.
Or if you have these at home, you can even use these or these. And that's the end of the video. Bye.
Okay, bye.